So today's topic is tailor AI to your business DNA. You may already know your customer avatar, you may already know your audience and your content pillars, like the type of content you want to get out in the world, or maybe you don't, but ChatGPT doesn't know it. And so what you need to do is train it up to understand your business, because accordingly, that's what kind of results you'll get. So if you don't train it up, which you probably haven't. You probably just played around maybe a bit of tone of voice. Ultimately, if it doesn't know where you're coming from, the message is not going to land on your target market. Customer avatar, just to confirm, is like giving a name, a picture, an age, understand the demographic lifestyle of your ideal target market, turning them into a person. And this is one of those examples of getting it to tell you what you need to supply it. So here's the prompt. I'm going to put this into ChatGPT. Help me create a custom avatar for my organization based on these details. If you already have a very clear idea of your custom avatar, just type it out in this section here. I know that this age, this is their lifestyle, this all the bits and pieces that you know about them. Because remember, you may know this, but we need to make sure ChatGPT knows this as well. So if you do know, pop it in there. If you don't know who your custom avatar is and you want it to help you work that out, do this one. Could you please help me create a custom avatar for my organization? Question mark. What type of information do you need from me? So this is what it's going to give you. And hey, even if you do have your custom avatar clear in mind, you can still do this as well, by the way, because you might find gaps. Or maybe you've had a change in direction in your business and it might be good to do this again anyway. You'll get something like this or slightly different. I want you to copy and paste this. Don't press enter. And then fill out your answers. So 35 to 45. Female, Sydney. You can also choose to copy and paste this into a Word doc or Google Doc if you just want to, have it nice and clean and don't want to accidentally delete this, right? You can even add something like, thank you. See below for the information requested. Once done, could you please turn this into a custom avatar for me? And it should then ultimately clean up whatever you've just done. Some of it would be word for word, which is fine, but otherwise a nice clean version. See, last week, just to show you, I did the exact same thing and it gave me a nice little layout. So I then went and filled it all out. And then for me, it then gave me this nice cleaned up, usually calls it the inquisitive marketer. It just basically cleaned up all my notes. And so should have done something similar for you. If not, just go back and say to it, thank you. You just, clean up with headings and subheadings based on the information I gave you. There's no set wording, but, along those lines. So that is training up on your custom avatar to ChatGPT. That is the first step. That's